See clouds. Oh.
It is coming at us.
Coming at us. See. Oh, wow, Aishman. Welcome back to the part 2 of our Kerala visit. We are at Marayoor and we are here for 3 days. Today we are thinking to visit Eravikulam National Park, and after that we will see the Kanandevan tea estate and all those we will visit. And let's see on the way if anything interesting I will cover, and I will show you guys. It's 1 o'clock almost, so we will find out a place to have lunch. After that we will continue. Okay. Not sure if Eravikulam National Park is open, until what time it is open. Now we need to figure it out. We'll go there and check it out. Okay. So let's start. See, this is all sandalwoods, because Marayoor is known for sandalwood forest. So this is the only sandalwood reserve in Kerala. So it's a protected one. It's like a huge area of sandalwoods. And see the roads. Such a awesome drive. Aishman, you like it?
Yeah.
So these are sandalwoods. Chandana, Katha. In Odia, yeah, Chandan Katha. Even Chandan, I think in Hindi also, not sure, Chandan or something else.
But it's looking nice.
Yeah. See the view, man. See the hills.
Yeah.
Aishman, that's why it is called God's own country.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Kerala tourism's tagline, right? God's own country. And the name, the tag actually justify it. Wherever you visit Kerala, it's so beautiful. Time to have lunch. That's why we stopped here. Aishman?
Yeah.
What Aishman? Traditional Kerala meals. Okay.
Yeah.
You like it?
I didn't taste it.
You didn't taste it. Okay. After taste it, let me know. Anyway, we should try all the local cuisine, right? Wherever we'll go, we should try local cuisine, so that we will know, right?
Fish.
So fish is also available, Aishman. We will eat fish. After having a yummy Kerala meals, we stopped here because it's such an awesome place. Anyway, here, right, Marayoor to Munnar, wherever you go, you will see like this only, tea estates all around. So we just stopped here to take some photos. And Eravikulam National Park is just 10 to 15 kilometers from here, so it won't take much time. Anyway, let's go. Aishman, we will try to spot few Nilgiri Tahr.
Okay.
You know what is Nilgiri Tahr?
No.
You don't know Nilgiri Tahr?
No.
You haven't seen pictures in photos?
No.
It's a mountain goat. Endangered species.
It will like.
Huh?
It will be like a deer.
Yeah, kind of deer and goat combination, you can say. Anyway, you will see, right? Hopefully we will be able to spot. Let's see. Let's go.
The path will be open.
Yeah. We are driving through clouds. See the clouds. actually when we were down while driving up, we were seeing these clouds. So, but now we are really experiencing it. So people stopped everywhere to take photos. Since we are getting late, we are thinking first let's go Eravikulam National Park because it will close, and while we're back to hotel, we will stop to take some pictures. And as I told earlier, see waterfalls everywhere. Every 200 meters, a half kilometer, there is a waterfall. See clouds. Ooh.
It is coming at us.
Coming at us. See. Oh, wow, man. We reached Eravikulam National Park, but looks like it's too crowded, man. See the vehicles. See the vehicle parked. Oh man, I'm not sure the safari vehicle will be available, ticket will be available or not. Let's go and check it out. Aishman, come. No, I think that side only. Double 5, double 4, double 3. We got the ticket for safari. It's 200 rupees adult. So Aishman is free. Yeah, Aishman always fast. See how fast? Because he wanted a perfect seat, huh? We got side seat, and hopefully we will be able to capture a few of the cliffs of Nilgiri Tahr, and we'll capture through DSLR. We have zoom camera, so hopefully we'll capture. Let's see. All based on luck. So the safari vehicle stops 1 kilometer before the peak. The rest 1 kilometer we need to walk, and I'm not sure if we will be able to spot few Thar. Let's see, but see the view. It's just awesome. No words. Species of plants. Okay, yeah. So this is one species. See. Yeah, wild, right? These are wilds. See, Aishman is complaining. He is only seeing Thar in photos. Okay, So far he's not able to spot one.
I already spotted one while coming.
Yeah, that was not Thar, that was barking deer, it seems. But yeah, that ran away before we took any clip. Aishman getting tired, huh? Then you already have experience to track, man.
Yeah.
You should not get tired in 500 meters.
Yeah.
Today's mission successful. Aishman was complaining that he was only able to see stars in photos, but now he saw many. Huh?
And I touched it also.
Huh?
And I touched it.
I touched. You should not touch Aishman. Okay, they will get disturbed. But so many Thars. Even I was not hoping to see so many Thars. I thought I will get some one or two snaps, or maybe I will be able to spot or not. But it was like awesome.
I saw too many Thars. And they're like a goat only.
Goat only?
Yeah.
I thought something else.
Little brown color.
Eh?
With the brown color, this white.
Those are not Thars, goats only.
No, I didn't do that.
No, somebody painted them brown color.
No. Telling lies.
Okay. It was really a wonderful experience spotting Nilgiri Tahr at their local habitat, and even we saw how they are grazing as well. Aishman enjoyed a lot. For me also it was first time. Aishman saw it first time. Now we are going back to catch the bus. So, and if we'll get time, we will stop somewhere to take some pictures. Story of the park. Story of the park. This place also describes all about this national park, like how many birds, how many different kind of flora and fauna there in this park. So yeah, you can spend some time here and read about the details about the national park, the tribal people, and the culture and all the trees found here, plants, species, yeah, all about flora and fauna. And it is written is, I think, in English as well as Malayalam. Okay, let's go, Iceman. Iceman, find out a place. Find out a window seat. Huh? We are at last spot of the day. We enjoyed the day like anything. New Year's Day, each moment we enjoyed. Most specifically, spotting the Nilgiri Tahr. That was in my long pending list. And last time we visited Munnar, but we could not visit Eravikulam National Park. So this time we did it. I think that's all for today. Tomorrow we are planning to go for a trekking and visit a nearby waterfall. That will be definitely awesome. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye.